Alright, Baja update. So we got, start back here. We got wires run to the coil, so we got the it working off the ignition now. We got all the wires ran all through here, so now it works off of the key, except we just stick a flathead screwdriver in there right now because we don't have a key for it. We got the tack working, sorta, kinda. It works but doesn't, jumps around all over the place. The volts works. We have an oil pressure switch in it now. It's just not hooked up to the gauge, and the fuel gauge is not hooked up. We do not have the GPS or radio hooked up or anything like that. We're waiting on the ignition to get here. I think that'll be here later this week, hopefully. That's it for in there. If you guys remember, someone put in a second fuse block here, which had like half the fuses the stock one has up there. We're just gonna use the stock one because might as well. Here are the headlight wires. We just gotta wire those up to the fuse block. And then we still got brakes, brake lights, tail lights, and turn signals to do, and then wire up the headlights. That's really all we gotta do left for wiring wise. I still got a big old list on what we gotta do. We gotta check tune-up parts like distributor, coil, things like that. We gotta get a new carb. We have a new carb. We just gotta put it on, go through a few things, you know. But we did get a package, so let's go inside and unbox that, and let's use those. All right, so we got a package. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, let's see what we got here. First thing we got is all wheel cleaner, grease dissolver, and same thing in an easy spray can. And then we also got a hat, sticker, always nice, where you can pick up some super clean, and then just explaining some stuffs. And then we also got another sticker, and then a shirt. Let's go test these out. Look how filthy that is. Let's see what super clean will do to it. Look at that, after only a few short minutes of spraying, scrubbing. I'm not the best detailer in the world, but after just a few minutes of spraying, scrubbing, look at how clean that is. Go get yourself some super clean. This stuff cleans so good.